talk about the difference between a halogen fixture and an integrated LED fixture. All right? First off, this is a halogen downlight. All right? And what it does is a halogen fixture is usually made to handle a halogen incandescent lamp. And this is a halogen lamp. All right? And it inserts into a halogen fixture and then you assemble that fixture and the lamp is inside of it. All right? Now, halogen lamps then, when they burn out, can be replaced very easily, because all you do is take apart the fixture, remove the halogen lamp that has gone bad, and put a new one in. Now, halogen fixtures can also hold LED lamps that are manufactured. So, what you can see here is the difference between a halogen lamp and an LED lamp. This is a halogen lamp, and this is an LED. All right? Same size. They're both an MR16 size lamp, but one is the incandescent halogen, and one is the new technology of LED. So, just like the halogen lamp goes into the halogen fixture, an LED lamp can go into a halogen fixture as well. The advantage to a drop-in LED lamp is that if you have an existing halogen system, it can be retrofitted with LED lamps.
And what's the advantage?
The advantage is the old halogen lamps were usually 20 watts. So you're using 20 watts of electricity to light this lamp. With the new LED lamps, you're only using 5 watts. So you have an energy savings of 75%. Now, brightness of a halogen versus an LED. The LED 5 watt is going to be actually a little bit brighter than a 20 watt halogen.